So welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I want to show you how you go to do your design waist pocket for your senators. Either you want to sew for adults or you want to do for children. So if you know say you like to learn something like this, follow me to this end of this video, then I will show you step by step how I take make it possible. So this method is not just simple method wey be say you no go even imagine. Sure you understand? Yeah, let's go to the video now. So what is the first thing we go first need before we do this our pocket? So the first thing we go need now na the pieces, that is the material we want to use for the outside, the one we go show outside, like the mouth of the pocket. So this material now, this one are 9 inches, this one I give me 6 inches. If you just do them maximum like that, it's okay. That's in our waist pocket. So this one now, I give 6 inches for the wideness, while the height now 2.5. So what I will first do now is say I will make sure say I got my stay for this part. Then I will gum other side of this one. This one we need to gum this one full. We only gum this side for this side here. So make a gum am. So after I gum the material I want to use for the interface for the waist pocket finish, so the next thing is to fold the mouth. So this one I will just fold that into 2. We'll fold this part into 2. You fold this one like this now. You iron them. You make sure say the iron this side. Then this one, instead of to fold down like this, you know go fold down like, you go just fold down like triangle like this. You give us triangle shape. Sure you get. So if you make this side now, maybe 1.5, then this one will be ½ inch. So if I iron that part, then I will show the next thing. So after we finish our folding, you see I don't already fold this one into 2. Then this one I don't fold on the triangle way. So you will keep this to one side. So this the hook we go use and hook the button. Then you go use this fabric now to use our example we want use. So it depends on your wideness you want use for your pocket. So I'll make this one now 4 inches for the wideness, or if you use a 3.5, more use 3.5, that is 3.5. So after we get our 3.5 now, so the next now to just hold the line straight. Mind you, can if you use this method now for other small picking, the only thing we go feel change here now be say you will just reduce the length. And if you say the person too fat, if you make them 4 inches, but this one we use 3.5 for the tutorial now. So the wideness we go do this in now, we'll make them 0.7. I have to get 0.7 from this our line here. We will mark here, so you will get the middle part. If you make a 0.7, it depends on how you want make him be. You understand? So what I will do now, just make sure say I go this line straight. We will go this side too. Looking for that new thread, got you covered head to toe. Amytex is the name, it's the only way to go. Got the best cloth on the market. Well finished with a perfect stitch we hit. So after we rule our line, we need to join this side like this. You know, so now here we will stop with this. So after that, you go just mark here like this. Now we will cut with that. So you need to mark in this necessary so that by the time we cut and we will cut an SS. So after that, the next thing I go just turn them, go back side, then we'll gum our ST for the back. So after we gum the back, with ST, so the next thing I to just divide this our line here. So what I just do here be say I try fold this part, then I fold the other side. Then make sure say the where you fold now, where you mark. Sure you understand me? Make sure say you fold down, you know parts. So if you know parts, you go give us what you want. So say I look for the front side. So that the next thing we go do is now to just place our interface we want to use for the design of the pocket. So instead of us to make them straight like this, you go slant them. Remember saying that this one will just fold. You go slant this side now. You go slant am like this. Then this other one, you go dey here too. But that one I go say you go dey, him go dey slant on your own. So wetin I dey try do here. You see am. So wetin I go do be say I go gum am one by one. I go first gum this part. So wetin I go do na any gum I go fit use gum am, because no fit just gum like that. So we just cut out of our hemi gum, just small hemi gum. Use am gum this side. Then I go put this one sef under. I go use am gum am. So I go come show you the finish after I gum am. So after I take gum this side, we say I put small hemi gum under here. Then this side too, I need to chook out. I need to show you this part so that I no go be like I just do everything offline. So wetin I dey do now, I dey try put the second one. So I wan show you how I take gum am. So I just cut small hemi gum. After I cut the hemi gum, then try to place am under. So then you go hold am down before we go to our machine. Do the finish. So wetin I do? So after we do that and finish, you say our hemi gum don help us hold am down. You just dey careful. Then this one go dey under this part now. Now you go form that button for us like this. So the next now I'll walk to my machine so that I'll go show you how I go take sew am from inside. Meanwhile, if you sew am under from up here, but no go dey more professional than if you sew am from inside. So the next thing we go do here and to just go sew from inside. So mind, if you want sew am from inside now this part you go use. You go just sew am from this starting like this. You see where I mark, so where that gate or give on, that place you go sew this side. Then you go sew the other parts too. You go sew this side too, like that. So for us to put this hook, you go just put am from outside here like this. You make sure say you dey for the center wey we wan make it there. Depend on the size we wan make it, how long I wan make it be. So as e be like this now, you go turn am, then turn am again. Try mark am. Where you wan make, you go see am. You go mark am like this. So if you don reach your machine, you go fit just hold am down, then sew am together so you go come from inside. Normally you fit sew am from outside here, but you just make am dey perfect and unique. So make we go do am from inside so that e go be more perfect job. So after we don sew that part finish, then we go come turn am again. E go look like this after we don sew am. So after we don sew that part now, so after we finished sewing the inside, the wetin I dey talk, I just want to stay sewing like this side to here. Then the other one sef, I open am, I sew am from inside here. So the next part wey we never sew na be this side. So na be the last place wey we go sew. So wetin we go do, wetin I go just do now be say I go make sure say this place dey normal where e suppose dey. Then you go iron am well. So after iron am like this, the next thing I go just cover our pocket from inside. So how you go take cover the pocket? Na be this. You just place your any material you wan use at all. Place am like this. You place the material like this now. Then we make sure say you go sew the thing down from our machine. You see now, you go start from this side now. Wey be say na be the last part wey I talk. So make I just mark am. I go sew am like this now inside here. Make sure say you dey careful to sew this part. Then the same thing the other side too. I go sew am like this before I go come sew the material down straight out. So if I do that one finish, I will show you. Then after that, we will come weave am. So after we sew the back side, na like this e go look. Shey you understand? So na like this e go dey from the back. See the front side, see the front. No sewing show outside there, because no need for us to put to allow the sewing show outside. Normally you suppose just sew am like this, but if e no dey neat enough, that's why I just decide to sew am from inside. So the next thing we go do now be say to apply your iron well well, so that the shape go fit come out the way we want. So if you know say you get value for this video wey I just do now, make sure you subscribe for our channel, then like, then turn your notification bell, so that anytime wey I upload video again, you go be the first person to see the video.